Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine and you're doing well. So viewers, in this video I gonna show different pebble decoration ideas. I gonna show different rocks art, stone art, different classy and stylish wood decoration ideas, different combination for stone and wood art, and it is very beautiful and unique, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and please share your friends and family, and please do not forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.